Hey guys, it is Sunday, August the 29th, 2021. It's about 9 a.m. here in Orange Beach, Alabama. Going to give you a quick look at what the coast is looking like here. Hurricane Ida is now a Category 4, going to hit New Orleans, Louisiana area, and just going to show you what the wind gusts are doing and the waves. Thank you for watching the videos. Flags blowing hard from the wind gusts. Big difference from yesterday's surf. Water already up over the boat ramps here at the Cotton Bayou public boat ramp. Down at Alabama Point, and this is a little reminiscent of Sally, even though this hurricane isn't even coming towards us. Water washing up over the seawalls again. Get you some footage out here real quick. Strong wind gusts. Getting the same storm surge here as we did back there in Sally. That's just a quick little look at the effects that we're getting from Hurricane Ida all the way over here in Orange Beach, Alabama. We're still 3.5 hours away from landfall in Louisiana for the hurricane. So I may get back out a little later and get you another video to see what's happening then. Lots of wind gusts, lots of storm surge. Stay safe. Thank you for watching the videos.